Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. So on today's video, what we're doing is going to be doing my 8-section super fast blow dry method for big and bouncy hair. Instead of being in the studio, I'm going to be heading to the salon. A lot of you are wanting me to work on live people, so you're in for a treat. So come with me to the salon and check out this really fast blow dry technique that I use daily in the salon. You can use it too on your clients or even yourself at home. I'm also trying some new brushes and they were sent to me by Aimike and they're sponsoring today's video. So Aimike was founded in 2015 after the founder spent years in the hair industry and realised people needed reliable, affordable tools for everyday hairstyling. Since then, they've developed the range of styling products, including these round brushes and clips, and it just gives us the hair tools designed to make getting in salon style hair easier at home for you. So for today's blow dry, I'll be using the natural volume round brush for blow drying. The desert color is really cool. So come along with me to the salon and we're going to check out the 8-section blow dry super fast technique. And then I'm going to give you my honest verdict on what I think about these tools. So let's go.
I think I need a break. Don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so dark. You really broke my heart. You open up my scars. I think I need a break. Don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so dark. You really broke my heart. You open up my scars. I think I need a break. Don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so dark. You really broke my heart. You open up my scars. I think I need a break. Don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so dark. You really broke my heart. You open up my scars. I think I need a break. Don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so dark. You really broke my heart. You open up my scars. I think I need a
So you just checked out the video of the blow dry. I'm going to tell you what I did with that blow dry because it's super simple, super fast, and you can do it at home. And if you're a hairdresser, you can do it on your clients in the salon. So it's basically just 8 sections. And what the main things to work on are sort of bringing the hair up to get height and volume, smoothness. But you'll have also seen me with the hair on the brush and really working in that heat into the root area. And we really want to get that hot. And then you'll see me wrapping, and then what that creates, it creates the heat at the root, then sort of works its way through the hair, and then as it cools down, like a heated roller, then as it cools down, it sets and you get a beautiful curl like you see in the video. So I've been looking for some really good radial brushes for so long. I've no idea how I didn't come across these because I've been Googling everything, and it's really generous of the company to send me their range. And if you check out here, there's some new ones as well which are launching very soon. But I do want to give you an honest review, and I've been looking for a really good set of brushes and clips in particular because I've been using ball bristle for a long time now, and I just wanted to expand my kit. And I've used brushes like this in the past, and the reason why you want to get a good brush like this is because the weight, you don't want to be too heavy, you don't want it to be bulky, you want a good grip to it. And honestly, this is all in one. I've used so many in the past and they're just a little bit heavy or a little bit cumbersome, and like they don't have that. So like this is to section the hair as well. So it just makes it easier just to draw through, create a section, and then just pop it away when you're not using it. But to have these bristles, and what you'll also find with these bristles is that they've got a rounded edge. So some companies, what you will find is they've got a square edge. So when you go into the root, it can be a little bit uncomfortable because it's a little bit like stabby. Whereas because this is rounded off, it's really quite smooth. And because there's so many bristles as well, you get a really good tension to your blow dry. And what you'll also find is there's quite a bit of flex to them, so there's no tangling. And they're the main things that I found when doing that blow dry. The blow dry was on my sister. She gave herself as a volunteer for me to do. She had a little fringe put in. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. But yeah, the colorways as well, if you check out their website, everything's linked down below. I was a little bit apprehensive when they said they were sending me this color, because I use a lot of color, I use a lot of product as well. Sometimes when you're working with lighter tools and that have got a bit of grip, bit of rubber to them, because the handle is a little bit rubbery, which is great for grip, what you can get is transfer of product. And because there's like ridges in here as well for more sort of like grip, where you work your thumb through there, that can sometimes get really dirty. But I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and I've had product on me, I've had pastes on me, I've had oils, I've had colour on me, and just rinsing it and it just all comes away. And you can see, I'll put it against there, it's still pretty much brand new, apart from like a bit of hair on here. So as a all-rounder brush, they've got different sizes as well, but I can honestly say, if you're looking for a good radial, links down below, you can pick these up, because the barrel stays a really nice heat, and as soon as you blast this with cool air to set the hair, that cools down instantly, which is another sort of selling point, because some of the ones that you get maybe of cheaper material or something like that, is you'll blast it with cold, but then when you pull it out, it's still a little bit hot, and you don't want that for setting a bouncy blow dry or setting anything like a big fringe. You want the coolness to really sort of set it and set the hair. Now let's talk about the clips, because clips for me are massive, and to find a good clip, with these clips, you'll notice that they look like a standard clip, where they're like that. And what you normally get when you do a blow dry like I've just done, and you clip it like that with clips like I've been using, they'll mark the hair, and then you pull it out and you've got a dent, whereas these ones didn't. But there is so much grip to it, and there is so much like tension in the hair. I've no idea how they did it, because I've used so many clips like that. You pull it out and it's like, oh, there's a dent. But with these, there was no dents. You'll see in the video that I just did. If you want to rewatch it. But the grip in it's got a little rubber band in there as well for extra grip. So that could be part of it, why there's no mark, because maybe that softens it, that rubber band. They do it in a variety of colours. I used all the colours in the video. I think there's a couple more colours actually. But yeah, clips are the biggest thing that go missing in the salon. And to find a good clip, and something that's a little bit different, I mean, now I'm telling everybody to go and buy these clips. Everyone's going to have them. But when you're in the salon, you'll notice it, as a hairdresser, your clips go missing. They're either wrapped up in foil and put in the bin, they're washed down the drain, a client takes them, or another stylist takes them, or anything. Or they go home attached to you and you leave them at home. So to find a good affordable clip, because they're a really good price as well, it's just a no-brainer. So Aimike, thank you so much for sending me the brushes. Absolutely love them. And they're going to be a staple in my kit bag. The clips, I'm going to keep ordering. I mean, it's when these finally sort of go, I'll be ordering them again. But the clips, because they go missing so much, I'm going to be reordering, because I've been looking again for a good radial brush. I've been looking for a good clip, and I found them. They'll just sit in my tool bag, and whenever I want to do a radial blow dry with this type of brush, I'll still use boar bristle. But if you check out here, there's also some new brushes coming, so be sure to check out the website. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for sending me them. I wouldn't have found them unless you'd have sent me them, and I've been looking for brushes like this for so long, and the clips. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know down in the comments. And as usual, please hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video.